Hello and welcome to our English speaking practice. Today we are going to learn about small habits that improve our lives. This is your practice of speaking English. So listen to my voice and repeat all the sentences diligently. Make sure to follow me in terms of pace, intonation, and rhythm. Let us begin. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. I feel so happy and full of joy. I open the curtains to let the sunlight come inside the house. I raise my arms and take a deep breath because the morning air makes me feel incredibly energetic and refreshed. Then I go to the kitchen to prepare something delicious for breakfast. I cook a healthy meal for myself and eat a slice of bread with warm eggs. I always drink a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice for dessert. While I eat, I think about my ambitions and dreams in life. I want to learn English and speak it very well. After I finish my meal, I clean the table and wash my plate because it is important to remain focused and organized. Next, I get prepared for the day and study or work. I pick up my books, notebook, and favorite blue pen. On my way to school, I enjoy looking at the green leaves, lovely flowers, and yellow birds in the park. I greet people, and they respond to me with a genuine smile. It makes me feel happy to be a part of such a kind and supportive community. When I get to school, I feel excited and ready to learn new information. I sit at my desk, open my notebook, and pay a lot of attention to the teacher. I write new words and try to use them in complete sentences. I believe that my mistakes are an absolutely normal part of the process because it is important to practice consistently. During lunchtime, I interact with my dear friends and share interesting details about our lives. We laugh heartily and discuss our plans for the future. It is very important to maintain a good work/life balance. In the evening, I walk back from school and think about my achievements and goals. I feel incredibly proud of myself for being a persistent and hardworking individual. When I get home, I take off my old shoes and rest for a while on a comfortable sofa. Then I do my homework and practice my English for at least half an hour. I read an interesting story and shadow it to improve my pronunciation and speaking skills. In the evening, I help my family members to prepare a healthy and tasty dinner. We share our feelings and emotions because it is important to have a good and supportive circle of relatives. Dinner is my favorite time because we are all gathered in one place and share our positive energy with each other. Before I go to sleep, I prepare for the following day and choose the clothes that I want to wear. I put all the necessary things in my backpack and set the alarm clock. I believe that it is very important to have everything well organized in order to succeed in any endeavor. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on comfortable pajamas. I lay in my cozy bed and feel incredibly grateful to be alive. I think about all the beautiful things in my life and remember that I am a healthy and strong person with a wonderful family. I have many ambitions and dreams in life, but I understand that practice and hard work make me perfect at whatever I do. I close my eyes and go to a beautiful dreamland, where I continue to improve my English pronunciation and speaking skills. Tomorrow, I will be a better person than I am today, and I feel incredibly confident about it. I am a determined and purposeful individual who learns new things faster than most people around me. I am a very successful language learner because I set clear goals, work hard, and rarely give up. Remember that it is vital to take small but steady steps toward success, and I believe that you will achieve incredible results. Thank you for practicing English with me today. We did a fantastic job, and I'm very proud of you. I encourage you to continue learning English every day, and I am confident that you will become fluent in no time. See you in the next lesson, and goodbye.